Hi, thanks for watching Vita's Food Adventures, and today I'm making an inspired Italian-style cherry tomato soup. Roasted for extra flavor, and my secret ingredient is fennel. This soup's amazing. Let's get started. You need a drizzle. This is just a quarter cup of olive oil now. I like to mix it in a bowl because I have everything coated. When you drizzle it on top, some things aren't coated, and that kind of just drives me nuts. So, 2 baking trays. Sounds delicious. You can save these for garnish at the end as well. It adds a nice light flavor. Alrighty, so this is coming up to the 10-minute mark. And now I'm going to add fresh thyme. Okay, this is now the trickiest part. You want to take the roasted tomatoes, including all the juices, carefully let it slide in. Now this is where I cheat. I've just bought vegetable stock. Now we're ready to blend. Alrighty. I'm gonna add in juice of a lemon, or about 2 teaspoons of sugar. You always need to balance the acidity out. 1 cup of whipping cream or heavy cream.